Hello, this video by needlepointers.com will show you how to make a patchwork plastic canvas keychain. To see more photos, get written instructions, and to purchase supplies for this project, go to our website by clicking the iCard or the link in the description below. What you will need is plastic canvas 7 mesh, and you should cut out one that has 14 holes by 10 holes on each side. Within the middle, a bridge that is 4 holes by 8 holes. The next thing you're going to do is, you can use any color, but I used black. Using the continental stitch, we're going to divide each of these 2 sections into 6 sections. And what you need to do is just do the continental stitch around the outside, then do a horizontal row right in the middle, and then 2 vertical lines equally apart. And as you can notice, there are like 4 empty holes in the middle of each one. Your next step would be to use any color. You're going to need 6 different colors. You will thread your yarn and then we're going to do something that is called a Scotch stitch. And what that is we're going to do diagonal lines along here. I'll do one for you. We also have a video on how to do it, and just check the iCard, or also in the description we'll have a link to the video. But this is how you do it. It's a diagonal. Okay, and then you would finish that one up and do all of them in a different color. I don't think that I mentioned also, I told you about this, but also do the continental stitch to fill in the bridge that is between the 2 of them. This is what it looks like when you have it finished. The next thing you would do is you're going to do a whip stitch and just cover right where the bridge is. The whip stitch is simply going along the project and covering the edge up. Now in this instance, as you see, I'm just whipping it and I'm going down. You can also do it by bringing your needle from the back to the front, which I will show you. I'll take it across to the other side. And now I'll show you coming up from the back. After you have the bridge, the whip stitch done on the bridge, now you can insert your ring. All you need to do is just bend the plastic a little bit, insert it. Now we're going to put the 2 sides together. and whip stitch all the way around the project. We also have a video on how to whip stitch, so I will have a link to that in the iCard and also in the description below. But as you see, all you do is go around like so. In the corners you would put about 3 stitches so that it covers it completely. And then just continue going all the way around your project to finish it off. After you've done the whip stitch all the way around, your project would be finished and it would look something like this. And this can also be used as a backpack zipper to help pull the zipper. This is a nice idea for Mother's Day or Christmas or someone's birthday. Even kids can make this project and learn how to needlepoint. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel because we publish new videos on Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, for plastic canvas tutorials and free projects.